Namaskara students. Today we are going to learn a very interesting topic in Kannada grammar, Sandhigalu. Don't worry, it's very easy. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand what Sandhi means. We are going to learn it step by step, so watch it until the end, completely without missing any part. First, let's read the real textbook definition. ಎರಡು ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳು ಅಥವಾ ಪದಗಳು ಕಾಲ ವಿಳಂಬವಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಕೂಡುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಧಿ ಎಂದು ಹೆಸರು. Does it look big and complex? Don't worry, we'll understand it step by step. So basically, when two words join together without a break or gap and become one word, that is called sandhi. Let me read it again. When two words join together and become one word without time gap, that is called sandhi. Let us see how it works. Let us try to understand this with our first example. Here we have two words, Deva, Alaya. So when you say these words, there is a small time gap, right? Try again. Deva, Alaya. Now if you join them together, it becomes Devalaya. Read it again. Devalaya. So if you have observed, here two words joined together without a gap, right? So this is Sandhi. Now let us look at another example. Read slowly. Loka upakara. Loka upakara. Now if you join them together and read it again, it becomes Lokopakara. See how they joined and became single word? This is Sandhi. Now let's try one more. Giri, Isha. Giri, Isha. Now let's join them. It's going to be Girisha. Did we pause between them? No, right? So they are joined without a gap. So this is Sandhi. Why do we use Sandhi? What is the use? Sandhi makes day-to-day speaking and writing easier, smooth and beautiful. Without Sandhi, speech may sound broken. If you take our previous examples, which one is easier? Loka, Upakara or Lokopakara? Lokopakara is more easier, right? Similarly, which one is easier? Giri, Isha or Girisha? Obviously Girisha, right? So basically, use of Sandhi makes Kannada language more easier to speak and write. Now activity time. Can you try this? What happens when Raj plus Indra join? Correct answer. It's Rajendra. Now I have a small question for you. Can you guess what happens when Ati plus Uttama? Write your answer in the comments. Let's see how many of you get it right. Okay. So today we learned what is Sandhi, understood that Sandhi makes Kannada language more easier to speak and write, and we also had a look at few examples. I hope now you have clear understanding of Sandhigalu. In the next video, we will learn the different types of Sandhi step by step. By the way, students, if you like this video and want to continue with the learning, please subscribe to our channel. See you in the next class, students. Take care. Happy learning.